I am really happy with my Snailax back and neck massager. Here you can see me installing it on my dining room chair. This massager is well made with two Velcro straps that hold it into place and is soft, comfortable leather material. And there are a ton of adjustable features. You can choose to massage your upper, lower, or full back, and you can also choose three levels of vibration and three massage pressure intensity levels. You can also choose to have heat, which is amazing. And I absolutely love the Shiatsu feel on this massager. I'm only 5'4", and unlike other chair massagers, the massaging motion of the Snailax covers my entire back, from my upper neck down to my sacrum. Here you can see exactly where all of the massage nubbies are, and you can see them working even just me standing here and barely pressing down on the surface of the massager. This massager really gets in there and it really does the job. It feels like someone is actually massaging your back. And I would recommend, if you are using this on a straight chair like this dining room chair, to go ahead and grab a little footstool or a step stool and elevate your feet ever so slightly in order to really relax into the mat of this massager. I would recommend this massager 100%.